Due to its strength and durability, concrete is one of the world's most used materials. However, huge amounts of resources are consumed for its production. The cement production causes 8% of the global CO2 emissions. And after a relatively short lifespan, the building material becomes a huge waste stream. If we want to continue using concrete at the current pace, we must mitigate these problems. But who can solve them? While cement companies have the greatest potential to reduce emissions, building materials recycling companies in particular can make a decisive contribution to ensuring that high-quality recycled materials are reused. Concrete waste already has high recycling rates. However, given the high level of investment in the material, we need to ensure that concrete waste becomes more than just a cheap substitute for gravel. At Rement, we have developed a CO2-binding concrete recycling process that generates the highest possible value from waste concrete. After demolition, concrete is usually crushed so that the material can be used as a base course in road construction, for example. After additional screening of the material, coarse components of the crushed material can be used as a gravel substitute in new concrete. The fine components, which make up 30% of the mass, have hardly any applications. It is precisely this material that is upcycled in a new value creation step, the Rement process. The CO2 for the Rement process can be either taken directly out of a cement plant or liquefied in biogas plants to then bring it to the site. The CO2 is then fed into a pressure reactor together with water and the fine demolition concrete. The resulting carbonic acid dissolves the cement compounds in the concrete. The sand is thus freed from the cement and can be extracted. The solution from the extraction reactor is transferred to a second reactor. By changing the conditions, highly pure, fine and white calcium carbonate precipitates from the solution. This material consists of the calcium oxide of the cement and the permanently stored CO2. Precipitated calcium carbonate serves as a high-quality filler and color pigment in a wide variety of end products. It ensures that paper is white, that colors cover well, that fiber is saved in packaging production, and that plastics are durable and resistant. With the help of decentralized Rement plants directly at the depot, building material recyclers become sustainable frontrunners and at the same time increase their degree of added value many times over. The largest mass proportion of the source material is still fed back into the construction industry so that business relationships with current customers can be maintained. Large Rement plants right next to the production facility help cement companies to achieve their decarbonization targets. At the same time, the proportion of recycled material in the product portfolio is increasing, and new markets are being opened up that are decoupled from fluctuations in the construction industry. Let us solve the concrete problem now with Rement.